So our next topic is GD&T, which is nothing but geometrical dimensions and tolerance. Okay. So first one is what is geometrical dimensions, and next one is what is tolerance. First we are going to see about the GT. GT is nothing but is a system defined the communicating the engineering tolerance and it's the relationships. So this is the overall short term of G&T. It's a useful symbolic language on engineering drawings and computer generated three-dimensional solid models, which is we have already studied in CAD modeling and AutoCAD, etc. So that's expertly describe nominal geometric and allowable measurements in a particular area, and like with some variations and all, etc. So it tells the truth of manufacturing staffs and machines, what degree of accuracy and precision in a manufacturing part and insertion part in a particular area. So GMT is used to define the nominal theoretical perfect geometry of parts and assembly lines, to define the allowable variations and tolerance in the form of possible size in individual features, and to define the allowable of variable features between these insert parts. All dimensions having a certain tolerance, which is plus or minus. So every features of every manufactured part is subject to variations. Therefore, the limits of allowable variations must be specified. Plus and minus tolerance may be applied directly or indirectly to the particular part, form of general tolerance block, general nodes, etc. Then followed by dimensions define the nominal geometry and allowable variations, so which is measurable, and scaling of the drawing should not allow the expect in a certain cases, because some cases are not in a tolerance but they fixed in a particular area. So that's what we mentioned here. Then followed by dimensions should be applied to features and arranged in such a way to be represented in the function of features. Additionally, dimensions should not be subject to one or more than interpretation. Okay. Then followed by description of the manufacturing methods should be avoided. Then followed by geometry should be described without defining the methods of manufacture in a certain size or certain space, etc. But they are not required in a final geometry due to some synchronage or other cases. They should be marked as a not mandatory. So here we should note this word not mandatory. And all dimensions and tolerance should be arranged in a maximum reliability and should be applied in a visible lines in true profiles. When geometry is normally controlled by gauge size or by code. Example, some stocks materials or 5s, etc. The diamonds shall be included in the Google grade or code number within partners following the some dimensions below. Just for example, angle in 90-degree are assumed when the lines in the center are shown in the right angle, but no angular dimensions is expertly shown in this figure, because the orthogonal angles which is comes under 0 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, etc. The followed by the dimensions and tolerance are valid 20 degrees Celsius to 68 degrees Celsius, which is converted into 101 kilopower. I have shown here some of the tolerance symbols and fitness, as I mentioned earlier said, which is reliability and code and visual conditions. These are all I have shown in this figure. Just just go through this. We have orientation, profile, form, location, run out and run in, and what are the symbols for the particular working area: straightness, flatness, circularity, cylindricality, profile or line, profile or surface, angularity, perpendicularity, parallelism, symmetric position, concentricity, etc. So this is one just for example I have shown here. And also there contain some ISO standard also in this GNT certification. So first one is ISO 129 is technical drawing to indicate the dimensions and tolerance. Okay, the next ISO is ISO 7083 symbols of geometric tolerancing, which producing the proportion and dimensions. Next one is ISO 13715, which is technical drawing, edges define the shapes, vocabulary and indications. Then followed by ISO 15786. This is represented by dimensions and holes. then followed by ISO 16792.2015. Technical product documentation, which is comes under documentation area like MSME and ASME, etc. So these are some ISO standard products for GD&T.